The make or break moment, a turning point in your journey. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you've probably heard in movies, books, or even in daily conversations: make or break moment. Understanding this phrase can add a powerful layer to your comprehension and expression in English. So, let's unravel the mystery behind it and learn how you can use it in your own conversations. First things first, let's break down the phrase, make or break. It's used to describe a critical point or situation that will either lead to success or failure. The word, make, here implies achieving success, reaching a goal, or proving to be beneficial. On the other hand, break suggests failure, ruin, or proving to be detrimental. Together, this phrase highlights the significance of a particular moment or decision that has the power to determine the outcome of an entire venture or journey. To fully grasp the concept, let's look at some examples. 1. For an athlete competing in the Olympics, their performance in the final event is a make or break moment. Their years of training could either culminate in victory or end in disappointment based on this crucial performance. 2. In the business world, launching a new product can be a make or break moment for a startup company. Its success can propel the company forward, while failure might mean the end of the business. 3. For students, the result of a major examination can be seen as a make or break moment, determining their future educational or career opportunities. Now that you understand what make or break means, let's talk about how you can use it in your speech or writing. This phrase is particularly effective in situations where you want to emphasize the critical nature of a moment or decision. You can use it when discussing stories, experiences, or even hypothetical scenarios that hinge on a pivotal point. Remember, it's a versatile phrase that fits well in both formal and informal contexts, making it a useful addition to your English vocabulary arsenal. And there you have it, folks. The essence of the make or break moment, and how it can dramatically shape the narratives of our lives. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is all about discovery and practice, so don't hesitate to try using make or break in your next conversation or writing piece. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.